Hello everyone, welcome to the class. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is a Michael addition reaction. So Michael addition will play an important in CC condensation reactions and variable number of applications. So here Michael addition is nothing but a base catalyzed reaction in which a compound having a active methylene group and compound having a activated olefin in presence of a base, that will give say 1,4 addition reaction. So here I am using a two words, that is activated olefin and one more is activated CH2 group, nothing but a methylene group. So here activated olefin nothing but any olefin which carry a electron withdrawing group is known as a activated olefin. So this is called an activated olefin, and molecule having a active methylene group. So this is called active methylene group which carry two electron withdrawing groups. Now these two groups are electron withdrawing groups on CH2, that's why it is called activated olefin. Now it is carried out in presence of base, that is NaOET. Now your resultant answer is, you need to remove this unsaturation. First you remove this, and here this part will be added. Okay, remove hydrogen and remaining part will be added here. This is COOET taken twice and this is CH2. Okay, now here this carbonyl ester will be as usual. This is called Michael addition reaction. So this is called activated olefin. So you remember it is an activated olefin. And what is this? This is called active methylene group. Active methylene. Methylene nothing but CH2 which carry two electron withdrawing group, and this is a base catalyzed reaction, and this total part will be added on beta carbon, and this is called alpha and this is called beta. Alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyl, which is a electron withdrawing group. Now if you see the mechanism involved in this one, see first one which can lose a proton. See this molecule carry two hydrogens and here two esters are present, COOET, here also COOET, hydrogen and hydrogen both are present. Now I am using a base, that is ETO minus. It is basic in nature. This will take this proton. It is a reversible reaction. This will take this proton and this will migrate on this carbon. Why? Because this carbon carry two carbonyl ester groups are present which will withdraw electrons here. So this carbon is get activated and it can lose this hydrogen in the form of proton, and this is completely removed in the form of alcohol. So when this base remove in the form of alcohol, there is a formation of a conjugate base. This is COOET and here also COOET, a negative ion forms here. This is a acid and here this is completely a base, and here this is a conjugate base of this acid. After losing a proton, this conjugate base is going to attack on a alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyl ester. Okay, so this is called activated olefin. See, this molecule is accepting this carbanion. This molecule is losing proton or not? If any molecule in Michael addition loses proton, that is known as a donor. See, this is a donor in this reaction. Means it is losing proton with the help of this base. After losing proton, it will form a conjugate base. Now this conjugate base will add on beta carbon. This is alpha and this is beta. And with respect to this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is called conjugate addition. See, this double bond is conjugate to carbonyl. That's why this is called conjugate addition. This is a soft electrophile. It is a hard electrophile. Okay, now it is stabilized by conjugation. So it is a soft nucleophile. This soft nucleophile will attack on this beta carbon. So once if it is added, this double bond will migrate. It will transfer its electron to oxygen. So can I write like this? PH. Now this is carbon. It becomes a double bond here. Now this will carry a alkoxide ion and this is OET, and this carbon definitely COOET, ester groups are attached like this, COOET, two equivalents, this will be attached here. Okay, so later on see, this molecule will take proton from alcohol which is removed over here. This alcohol is going to be written here one more time. This will donate its proton and that will be added here. So after adding proton, now this carbon CHCOOET taken two times. Next later on this one carbon, this is OH and this is OET. This is a enol form. We know between keto and enol form, most of the cases keto form is more stable. Now forward and this is backward. Backward reaction is less preferred. Now this will migrate an electron transfer here. Finally this carbanion will take this proton. This is called 1,3 shift. This 1,3 shift is also known as a tautomeric shift. Okay, so finally see, this is CH. This particular carbon carry COOET taken two times, and here there is a presence of hydrogen. Next later on C double bond OET. Observe carefully, I am removing this double bond at this place by removing one hydrogen and negative part completely adding on this, means indirectly I removed complete double bond. So finally we can say that by removing double bond we are simply adding these two partners here, CH and here hydrogen. This is called Michael addition reaction. So any molecule which carry a CH2 with hydrogen, that is called active methylene group, which can lose proton, that's why it is called donor. And after losing proton, the donor, okay, this is donor, after losing proton forms a conjugate base. Now donor accepting, this is an acceptor of this conjugate base. So this is a donor, and what about here? This is completely acceptor. This is acceptor. This is donor and this is acceptor. It will lose proton and the negative ion will attack over here. So it is the best acceptor and this is the best donor. Okay. So this is a mechanism involved in Michael addition reaction. Every time whenever if conjugate partner is present, after losing proton, negative ion will be added on beta carbon. Finally that conjugation is completely lifted and hydrogen will be added on alpha carbon. So your conjugate base try to add on beta carbon whose proton will be added on alpha carbon. Okay. Now we will see certain examples where we will find number of donors as well as acceptors. What kind of donors are present, what kind of acceptors are available in order to identify Michael addition type of reaction. So don't forget, if you know mechanism and type of donors as well as acceptors, this reaction becomes very easy. So definitely you may expect one question compulsory from this area. Why? Because if you go through Michael addition, you may also expect a Robinson addition reaction, Robinson annulation. You can also prepare a ring formation, but we need to know what kind of donors and what kind of acceptors are present in this one. So I am writing some selective donors. So what are available donors here? So first most important donor is C. This is CH2COOET, here also COOET. This is called diethyl malonate. If I remove this ethyl and if I put hydrogen, that is called malonic acid. That's why it is called diethyl malonate. And here we can also use C dicyanoalkane. Dicyanoalkane. Next, at this particular place, if I write cyano and here if I write ester, this is ethyl cyanoacetate. This is ethyl and this is cyanoacetate. And if I take one more molecule C, here if I write phenyl and here I am writing same COOET. This is called ethyl phenyl acetate, ethyl phenyl, and this is acetate. Okay. Now here I am writing CH2, C double bond O, CH3 I am writing. Next later I would like to write ethyl. This is called EAA, ethyl acetoacetate. Otherwise you can say acetoacetic ester. Ethyl acetoacetate, otherwise acetoacetic ester. You can take any one. Now this methylene carbon attaches to cyano. It is also attaches to amide. This is called cyanoethanamide. Cyanoethanamide. So it carry a electron withdrawing group here. It is also electron withdrawing group. So we can take any kind. Okay. Now if any methylene group carry nitro groups, it is also a powerful activating group. And here we can also take a sulfone. See, this is carbon having hydrogen, S double bond O, S double bond O. This is called sulfone. This is sulfone, dinitroalkane, cyanoethanamide, etc. Okay. So we can also take a molecule which carry a CH2 carbon like this. Okay. CH2 carbon, this is called cyclopentadiene, or we can say this is cyclopentadiene. Okay. So which having two hydrogens which will be effectively involved. So this is called indene. This molecule name is indene. So two carbon hydrogens are present. It is also a strong proton donor, also called activated CH2. This activated CH2 also known as active methylene group. Now we can also take a fluorine. Fluorine is not a halogen. Here we should take this kind of molecule. See, this is 5-member ring and this is one more 6-member ring and two hydrogens are taken. Okay, this is called fluorine. Okay, fluorine, and this is indene. Here I am taking, this is indene and this is cyclopentadiene. Like that we can take this kind of donors. All donors having a electron withdrawing character. See, this is completely electron withdrawing character. So it is -I effect, minus mesomeric effect, all will be operated here. So here fluorine, Fluorine is not halogen, this is fluorine, this is different, same formula, abbreviation, way of representation is completely different. Okay, so halogen as well as this having same kind of formula generally. So representation is F, and this is completely an organic fluorine. This is inorganic fluorine, this is organic fluorine. Like that we can separate these two. Now go through some cases of acceptors. So donors carry at least one hydrogen, and one more hydrogen is required on same carbon, so that it will bounce back and donate its hydrogen to alpha carbon. That is a donor. Now go through acceptor. Which kind of acceptors are required in this reaction? So now I am taking a acceptors. What are available acceptors in this one? So first I am taking alpha comma beta unsaturated aldehyde. This is called acrylaldehyde. Okay. So this acrylaldehyde, if any methyl group is added, so this is called cinnamaldehyde, crotonaldehyde, sorry, it is not cinnamaldehyde, it is crotonaldehyde. If I write any phenyl group over here, now this is called cinnamaldehyde. If I write acid here, cinnamic acid, crotonaldehyde, acrylic acid. Okay. So here every time see there is a double bond conjugate to carbonyl. This is the major target involved in this one. Okay. So here this is a benzylidene acetone. Benzylidene acetone. Next, we can also take mesetyl oxide. This is called mesetyl oxide. We can take mesetyl oxide. Now, alpha comma beta unsaturated nitrile. This is called acrylonitrile. This is acrylonitrile, and this is called mesetyl oxide. This is mesetyl oxide, and this is benzylidene acetone. Okay. Now we can also take quinone. You can take this quinones here. Every time carbonyl adjacent carbon is alpha, next carbon is completely beta. Okay. So these are the possible donors, acceptors, and Michael addition as well as mechanism involved in this one. So if you know this one, whose applications are going to be very easy to apply. So that applications we will discuss in your next video. Hope you will understand the concept of what is Michael addition, what is its mechanism. So such type of videos we are going to upload every time. We require your support. Try to like our videos, share and put a comment in comment section. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your regular support.